What is going on YouTube? Today we're going to be taking a look at my new exhaust and some before and after sound clips. Stay tuned. So if you don't know already, these S1000s come with a gnarly catalytic converter. It's very quiet. It's way too quiet for a sport bike, almost even dangerous because people don't hear you on the road. You know, part of having a loud exhaust, yeah, it sounds cool, it looks cool, but it's also a safety feature. People hear before they see. I knew I needed to get that taken care of as soon as possible with this new bike. So here is the old exhaust. It's, you know, this huge cat right here. Just makes it way too tame. I mean, you can't hear anything. The one time I was literally going to my parents' house and they didn't even hear me when I pulled in, you know, which it's almost comical, you know, because I'm on a leader bike and one of the best ones out there, and they didn't even hear me when I was coming in. And here is the new exhaust. This is an AKRAPOVIC titanium header. I went with the titanium because, you know, for me, this was my dream bike and it is still my dream bike, and I made it happen. I wasn't going to cheap out on the exhaust. That's one of the biggest things on this motorcycle, so I didn't want to go with something that I wouldn't be happy with or that I would want to upgrade in a year or two anyway. Now, being that this is the premium model, it comes with the AKRAPOVIC can. I do like the look of this. I maybe will upgrade this. You know, it wouldn't be quite as much for sound. Right now, it is still a little tame, which I'm actually okay with. I really like the sound of it, and I do like the look of this can. I might upgrade it next season, but it'd be more for looks than sound. But for right now, I got the full titanium AKRAPOVIC exhaust on the S1000. I only have maybe 1,000 miles, not even, with this exhaust, so it's not fully blue yet. Obviously, as you can tell, it's going to turn even more blue and purple and everything, and I can't wait to see what it looks like down the line. Now, maybe this is an unpopular opinion, but I did not tune this bike. The main reason I didn't tune it is because it's under a full factory warranty. These BMWs come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty that covers everything. No other motorcycle manufacturer has a warranty like that. And I'll be the first to admit that I know that these bikes have issues and they're not 100% perfect. I've heard a lot of horror stories. You know, I still wanted it and I still got it, but I want to make sure that everything is going to work for me, at least for the next 3 years. Once those 3 years are up, I am totally okay with getting a tune. At the same token, I know myself, and once I hit 3,000, 5,000 miles on this thing, which is going to happen soon, I'm going to get that itch to get the tune anyway, so we'll see what happens. Now for the moment you all been waiting for, let's get it started up. Sounds so much better. Sounds so much better now that it's opened up a lot. This stock exhaust, it sounded terrible. I have a sound clip I'll play in this video from before I had the new exhaust installed. It opened it up quite a bit. It's not crazy loud, but it's enough for me, and I'm happy with it, at least for now. We'll see what happens. Now, I'm hoping this sounded good. I have this little mic that I'm working with, so I'll find out when I go to edit everything. In person, it sounds great. It's really hard to get, you know, good sound clips of exhausts through cameras and mics and stuff like that, you know, but like I said, I'm very happy with the sound. It looks good, and I'm excited to get some miles on it. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Stay tuned for some more content on the S1000, and as always, take it easy out there.